Damn, man, look at that, look!
Since the Premiere update to version 24.4, Adobe decided to butcher the timeline to implement extra features that no one asked for. Now, we have this ugly timeline. But it's not just about that. Even if you set the tracks to the normal size, the moment you add a new track, it will automatically resize. The only possible workaround at the moment is to set shortcuts for both options, normal size and minimize all tracks. To create a normal size preset, drag the track height controller in the timeline until it snaps, and make sure all tracks are the same size. From the timeline display settings button, choose Save Preset and name it Normal. Change the keyboard shortcut from None to Preset 1. Go to the Edit menu and choose Keyboard Shortcuts, or use Ctrl+Alt+K on your keyboard. Look for Track Height Preset 1 and set the shortcut to whatever suits you best. In my case, I will use F4. After that, type Minimize all track sizes, and do the same thing. I will use F3. Hit OK. As you can see, when I press F3, the tracks minimize, and with F4, they go back to normal size. And of course, when you need a larger track, just double-click on the left side. I hope this video was helpful for you, and let's look forward to Adobe bringing things back to how they used to be. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.